Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a what's in my bag video with my new bag from Louis Vuitton. And this is the bag. I'm going to write the name right now. I don't remember exactly the name of this bag, but this is the bag. It's a beautiful mini bag. And I have the protective film still on, that's why it's not shiny. It's kind of matte on the lock and also on right here. Yeah, so this is the inside of the bag, microfiber lining, and it has two straps. One is this shoulder strap, which is a chain, and I have the other one right here inside the box. This is the strap, which is same color as the leather right here. This chain is not heavy, but it has some weight to it. It's not flimsy. So this is how it looks with the chain strap. And I'm going to get up and show you guys how it looks on my body frame. Let me show you the other strap. And this one is adjustable, by the way. You can see the buttons there. You just open it. Let me show you the longer length, and then I'm going to show you the shorter length. So this is the longer length option. And you can wear it on the shoulder and crossbody as well. And let me show you the shoulder option. And you can wear with the strap and also with the chain, by the way. This is for evening maybe, and this is for daytime. So you just open this and you just pull this. And there is a button right there. You snap, oopsie. You snap it right there, and then pull this one, the other side, and there is again the same button. So this is the shorter length, and now you have two straps. So you can wear it with the leather strap, or you can wear with the chain strap. Like I said, you can wear this during evening with this strap, the chain strap, and during daytime you can wear this with the leather strap. And also there is a trick. If your strap is not in the correct way, I don't know how to say it, but if it is not like this, like this one on the top and this one on the bottom, the correct way, then let me show you what will happen. So if it is not correct way, like if it is upside down, do you see? It's not sitting properly. So check that. Don't think that this is a defective item. You just turn your strap like this, then it's perfect. So it has to stay correctly to fall correctly. You know what I mean? Yeah, like this. Do you see? It's not sitting properly, and there you go. It's perfect. I just love this bag, guys. It's a perfect bag, perfect combination. Black with monogram and gold hardware. I just love it. So let's now see what we can fit inside this bag. let's see if we can fit the phone. And I have iPhone XR, and it can fit easily, and there is a lot of space. Let me show you. Do you see? You can see both sides. It has a lot of space. So I did put some items inside. I'm going to show you what I can fit inside. And if you want to carry your phone in the bag, then I don't think you can fit anything except for some lipstick or something in your bag. But if you are like me and you always carry your phone in your hand, then you can fit these items inside this bag. So let's see what you can fit inside this bag. So these are the items. You can put another lip balm or lipstick this side, but I do not have anything right here, so yeah, I didn't put anything inside. So you can only fit your key ring inside the bag, or you can only fit your card holder inside your bag with some other stuff on the side. But I chose to carry this in the bag instead of the card holder, because I have put my 4 essential cards, like one license, one debit card, one credit card, and one insurance card in this slip pocket. I have 4 of them. So I decided to go with the keyring holder than this one, the card holder. And on this side I have a lip balm, and like I said, you can put another lip balm or lipstick on the other side. And if you want to put more stuff, then I don't think you can close the bag with the key holder. It's even not closing properly. You have to just press it to close it. It's not smooth, so I don't think you can put anything else in the bag except for the key holder or a card holder. You have to choose one. Yeah, so this is not for your like daytime bag. This is for like night out. You can carry some card, maybe just take your key fob out and just carry that instead of the whole key holder. And you can take lipstick, maybe some gums. I do not have anything here right now. Yeah, so that is it. You can fit inside this bag. Yeah, this is a mini bag, so don't expect it to be like this, right? By the way, this is more expensive than this PD. Can you believe that, guys? It's so tiny. But I'm going to do a bag collection video, that's why all the bags are here. So stay tuned for my next video. I think I'm going to do the bag collection or maybe jewelry collection. I have the video for jewelry collection, but I haven't edited yet. So yeah, I think I'm going to do the jewelry then bag. But I'm going to film the bag collection right now. That's why all the bags are here. Yeah, so that's it, guys. That's it for this what in my bag video with this bag, which is Padlock in strap or on strap. I think Padlock on strap. Yeah, and now I'm going to do the mod shots. I'm going to turn the camera and I'm going to do the mod shots. So this is the crossbody option, and you can take this out, the chain strap, or just leave it like this. Here is just the chain strap. Or you can just wear it as clutch, just like this. Remove the strap and wear it as clutch. And like I said before, you may try to wear it on your belt, but I don't know if that will work. But you can open this and you can try on your belt as well, as a belt bag. And also you can wear this strap, the chain strap, as your necklace. Just perfect length to wear it as a necklace. Isn't it so cute, guys? I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. So cute. Yeah, so that's it, guys. And if you want to get this bag, then you have to, I think, go to store, because when I got this, it was available, but maybe after this video, many of you went to buy it online. So it's not available anymore with this combination. It has the camel color, I think, still available with the monogram, but black and monogram is not available. Yeah, I think you have to go to store and maybe ask your SA. They may find it somewhere, but online you will not find it anymore. It's not available unless someone return it. Yeah, so that's it for this what's in my bag video and mod shirt. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a like and please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.